So for problem number 24, it says, which of the following is an equation of the circle in the xy plane with the center of 0, 4 and a radius with the endpoint of 4 thirds, comma 5. And so this particular problem is a little bit easier than you think. Remember that the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared. Oh, actually, let me back up a little bit. It's actually x, wrong one. It's actually, there's a lot of work here. I'm trying to hurry. It's actually x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Does anybody remember what h comma k is? Is equal to r squared. Anybody remember that? What's h comma k? Does you guys remember what that is? It's the center of the circle. Okay? So that means that h equals 0 and k equals 4. So we're doing pretty good. The only thing I need is I got to figure out what is the radius. So they give us a clue as to how we find the radius. The radius is the distance from the center to this point here. So the radius is the distance formula where we say y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared plus x sub 2 minus x sub 1, all that squared. And this, we'll name this as x sub 1, y sub 1, and we'll name this x sub 2, y sub 2. So then my radius is equal to the square root of y sub 2 is just 5 minus y sub 1, which is 4. Whatever that is gets squared. Plus x sub 2 is 4 thirds minus x sub 1, which is 0. Oh, man, that worked out. But that has to be squared. So in the next line, I get r is, this is 1 squared plus, what's 4 thirds squared? Isn't that 16 ninths? Yeah? All right, we're almost done. Well, if I wanted to write 1 squared, it'd be 1, but isn't 1 the same as 9 over 9? So it's really the square root of 25 over 9. What's the square root of 25? 5. What's the square root of 9? 3. So we're almost done. I hope I have a little bit of room left. So if I write this in the form of x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. R squared would be 5 over 3 squared. And then this would be x minus h, but h is 0. Plus the quantity y minus 4 squared. So it's really just x squared plus y minus 4, the quantity, squared. And what's 5 squared? 25. And what's 3 squared? 9. So which one is that? That's A, isn't it? We covered that in class. As I was asking, I was looking out at the crowd and I saw some of you guys were like trying to remember what was what. But A is the correct answer. Okay? Are there any questions on that?